creative director, always finding inspiration for new ideas. I like looking at details, and I'm particular in things. Ideas can come at any moment. That's why I need my devices reliable and ready. When it comes to packing, I need every space used efficiently so that I can travel light. No more bringing adapters and bulky dongles. I just need this. Introducing iMate. Plug, charge, sync. The ultimate companion for all Apple devices. Superior portability. Ultra compact with powerful built-in features. There's no need to pack along multiple adapters, dongles and hubs when you're on the road with iMate. I don't have to worry about my devices running out of juice. I can charge all of them, even my Apple Watch, with just this. I've got a big meeting, but it's all good. I get to do my presentation with crystal clear, so it helps me focus on what I have to say. Convenient all-in-one docking station, and it's affordable. My iMate. Just plug, charge, sync, and play.